We're here at 600 North 39th. We're still on November 30th, 2022. I'm making this recording from our excavated trench. I wanted to get a look at this broken, beat-up section. It's a Y connection. I've got it located in the crawl space under 600 North 39th, about 6 feet deep, pretty close to a support beam. There is a large amount of waste you can see held up right there in that spot, and if you push the camera up slowly, you can see the bottom of the concrete's missing. It's difficult to get past this spot from the clean out at 600, and we haven't been able to get the camera past it from this spot. I believe this is where 604 North 39th turns in. 604, the home to the east of 600. I believe this is where they connect to this top line. I haven't confirmed that yet, but it would make sense according to the map and all the documents I've got. So just wanted to get a look at it from this angle. You can see where that sewage is held up, and there's just no bottom of the pipe in that spot. We're coming back down towards the excavated trench now. We've already seen this line from the other direction. We've seen this footage of this line from the other direction, but we're now coming from the up, going the opposite way. And there we're coming into our recently installed pipe as part of this excavation. There you get a little look at it. End of the video there.